Are you ready to make the most out of your money? Investing in the right order can be the key to financial success. Let's dive in and discover the optimal investment plan for you. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on the optimal order for investing your money. Investing is a crucial part of securing your financial future and building wealth. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this video, we'll break down the different investment options available to you and show you the optimal order in which to invest your money to maximize your wealth over time. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Order number 1, emergency fund. We all know that life is unpredictable and unexpected events can happen at any moment. That's why it's crucial to have an emergency fund in place. An emergency fund is a savings account where you keep cash for emergencies, such as job loss, medical expenses, or car repair. The idea is to have enough money to cover 6 months of living expenses in case of an emergency. Having an emergency fund is important because it provides a safety net in case of unexpected events. You won't have to dip into your long-term investments or go into debt to pay for unexpected expenses. Order number 2, 401k employer match. We now move on to order number 2, investing in a 401k with an employer match. A 401k is a retirement savings plan that's sponsored by an employer. The great thing about 401ks is that some employers will match a portion of the contributions you make to the plan. This is essentially free money that you don't want to miss out on. Taking advantage of your employer's match is crucial. Let's say your employer matches 100% of the first 3% of your salary that you contribute to your 401k. If you make $50,000 a year, that means for every dollar you put into your 401k, your employer will add another dollar. So if you contribute $1,500 into your 401k, your employer will contribute $1,500, making it a total of $3,000 in your account. Order number 3, high-interest debt. As you begin to manage your finances, it's important to address high-interest debt. This type of debt, such as credit card debt, can quickly pile up and eat away at your wealth. The first step in paying off high-interest debt is to understand how much you owe and to what extent it is impacting your finances. Once you have a clear picture of your debt, you can start to allocate a portion of your income towards paying it off. It's recommended that you prioritize paying off high-interest debt before moving on to other investments. This will not only free up more of your income, but it will also help you improve your credit score and overall financial stability. Order number 4, Roth IRA. When it comes to investing your money, a Roth IRA is definitely worth considering. A Roth IRA is an individual retirement account that offers a number of benefits to help you save for the future. One of the most significant advantages of a Roth IRA is that your contributions are made with after-tax dollars. This means that you'll never have to pay taxes on the money you take out of your account in retirement. A Roth IRA also offers greater flexibility compared to traditional IRAs. You're able to withdraw your contributions at any time without penalty or taxes, making it an excellent option for emergency savings. Order number 5, HSA. When it comes to your finances, it's important to consider all aspects of your life, including your health. That's where a health savings account comes in. An HSA is a tax-advantaged account that can be used to pay for qualifying medical expenses. Unlike other savings accounts, the money in an HSA grows tax-free, and withdrawals for eligible expenses are also tax-free. So why should you consider an HSA as part of your investment plan? For one, it provides a convenient way to save for health expenses, which can be substantial, especially as you get older. It's also a great way to save on taxes, as the contributions you make to an HSA are deductible from your taxable income. Order number 6, Max 401k. Investing in a 401k plan is a smart financial decision, but maximizing your contribution can be even better. Here's why. First, a 401k plan offers pre-tax benefits, which means the money you contribute is taken out of your paycheck before taxes. This can lower your taxable income and potentially reduce the amount of taxes you owe. Second, many employers offer a matching contribution, so the more you contribute, the more your employer contributes, allowing your retirement savings to grow even faster. Finally, a 401k plan offers a wide range of investment options, allowing you to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn higher returns over time. Order number 7, lower interest debt. When it comes to paying off debt, the order in which you pay off your debts is just as important as the amount you put towards paying them off. After you've established your emergency fund, taken advantage of your employer match in your 401k, and invested in a Roth IRA, it is time to focus on paying off lower interest debt. But what exactly is lower interest debt? This type of debt refers to debts such as personal loans or student loans that have a lower interest rate compared to credit card debt or high-interest loans. While that may not seem as pressing as high-interest debt, it is still important to pay it off in a timely manner. Order number 8, pay off mortgage. Finally, we have the mortgage. First, let's discuss what paying off your mortgage means. Essentially, this means paying off the remaining balance of your home loan. This can be done by making extra payments, refinancing to a shorter-term loan, or making larger payments on a regular basis. There are numerous benefits to paying off your mortgage. For one, you will no longer have a monthly mortgage payment, freeing up money that can be invested or saved for other purposes. Paying off your mortgage can also mean owning your home outright, which can provide peace of mind and security. However, here are some reasons why some people choose not to pay off their mortgage. 1. Opportunity cost. Paying off a mortgage eliminates the opportunity to invest that money elsewhere and potentially earn a higher return. 2. Liquidity. Keeping a mortgage can provide access to a line of credit in case of emergencies. 3. Tax benefits. Mortgage interest is tax deductible, so paying off a mortgage eliminates this potential tax benefit. Ultimately, the decision to pay off a mortgage early or not should be based on your personal financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance. It's a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any major financial decisions. In conclusion, it's important to keep in mind that these orders may not fit everyone's financial situation, but the general principle of prioritizing investments based on potential returns and personal financial goals still applies. By investing in the right order, you can ensure that your money is working hard for you and that you're taking the right steps towards financial stability and security. What are your thoughts on this order? Do you personally use a different order when investing and paying off debt? Tell us in the comment section below. Also, if you're new to this channel, we strongly encourage you to subscribe and click the like button. Share the video as well. We'll see you in the next one.